Are you tired of indicators that look perfect in the past but repaint and mess up your live trades? You are not alone. In today's video, I am sharing a free, non-repainting high-accuracy arrow indicator. This isn't just a tool, it's a complete trend-following system that simplifies your decisions. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this tool is designed to help you spot clean buy and sell zones. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it with a 1-minute time frame for 5-minute expiry trades. But warn you, do not skip ahead. There is a specific support and resistance rule you need to know. Otherwise, even this indicator can give false signals. Welcome to AM Trading Tips. If you want powerful tools to level up your trading, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right now so you never miss a profitable update. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the settings, a quick reality check. Trading involves financial risk. You can lose money. This video is strictly for educational purposes and is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. All right, let's break down how this works. This is a classic trend-following indicator. It keeps things simple. When you see an up arrow, the trend is bullish, meaning we expect prices to rise. When you see a down arrow, the trend is bearish, meaning prices are likely to drop. But wait, do not take every single arrow you see. That is how amateurs lose money. To get high accuracy, we need to apply the AM trading filter rules. Here is the secret sauce. We only trade when the momentum matches the market structure. Rule number 1, the setup. For a buy, wait for the up arrow to appear near a support level. We want to catch the bounce. For a sell, wait for the down arrow to appear near a resistance level. We want to catch the rejection. Rule number 2, the timing. We are using a 1-minute candle time frame. Our expiry time is 5 minutes. This gives the trade enough room to breathe and move in your direction. Rule number 3, when to stay away. Avoid trading when the market is ranging flat. The arrows will be less reliable. Avoid trading during major news releases. Volatility can spike and hit your stop loss instantly. Pro tip, stick to the European, London, and New York sessions for the best volume and movement. You can use this on any currency pair. This system is powerful, and I want you to have it. You can download this indicator for free right now from my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description below. Now that you know the rules, talk is cheap. It's time to put this to the test. Watch closely as I take some live trades using these exact rules. Pay attention to how I wait for the candle to close and check the support/resistance before entering. Let's see the results. Take a look at this setup. On the right side, on my analysis chart, notice 2 things happened instantly. First, our indicator gave us a clear red down arrow, signaling bearish momentum. But I didn't just click sell blindly. If you look closely, that arrow appeared right at a verified resistance level. This is the golden setup I told you about earlier. The moment I saw that rejection at resistance combined with the arrow, I immediately opened a 5-minute sell trade. The logic was simple. The ceiling is strong, and the momentum is shifting down. Now, look at what happened next. This is where a lot of new traders panic, but because we trusted the strategy, we stayed calm. Because we entered on the 1-minute time frame with a 5-minute expiry, we gave the trade enough room to breathe. You can see the price didn't just drop, it melted. It completely respected that resistance level we spotted. This is the power of trading with the trend rather than fighting against it. The sellers took control exactly as our indicator predicted, pushing the price deep into the profit zone. And finally, here is the result. The candle closed well below our entry point, securing a clean, stress-free win. First, look at the setup on the right side of the screen. We aren't just guessing here. The indicator printed a clear blue-up arrow, signaling a trend reversal. But here is the key detail that most traders miss. Look closely at where that arrow appeared. It formed right at a support level. This tells me that the sellers are exhausted and buyers are stepping in. Seeing this confluence of the arrow plus the support zone gave me the confidence to open a buy position immediately. The entry point was locked in. Now we let the market do the work. Check out the chart now. This is exactly why we use a longer expiry time instead of rushing it. You can see the candles starting to push up aggressively, moving well away from our entry point. The indicator line on the right has turned blue and is climbing, confirming that our analysis was spot on. We aren't sweating or stressing because we entered at the start of the move, not the end. The market is respecting our support level perfectly, and the trade is running deep into safety. And there is the finish line. The candle closed high, completely smashing through the upper levels. Take a look at the chart on the right. We have been in a downtrend, indicated by that red line coming down. But suddenly, two things happen at once. First, the line turns blue, and we get that clear up arrow. Second, and this is critical, look at the bottom yellow line. That is a verified support level. The price hit that floor and immediately rejected it. Seeing this combination, a trend change signal right on top of a verified support, is my green light. I opened a buy trade immediately, trusting that the momentum was about to flip. Now look at the trade in progress. This is the part where patience pays off. You can see the price attempting to push back down, but that support level we identified is holding strong like a concrete floor. Because we aren't scalping 1-minute candles, but using a proper expiry time, we can ignore the small noise and fluctuations. The indicator line remains blue, telling us the bullish pressure is real, so we just sit on our hands and let the market play out. And here is the result. The buyers completely took over, pushing the price well above our entry point for a comfortable, stress-free win. So you've seen the results. No magic, just logic. By combining this arrow indicator with simple support and resistance rules, you stop guessing and start trading with confidence. If you want to test this strategy yourself, you don't need to pay a cent. The download link is waiting for you in my Telegram channel. Check the link in the description below and join our community. Trading requires patience and discipline. Always practice on a demo account before risking real money. If you found value in this video, do me a favor. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I have some massive updates and new tools coming in the next video that you do not want to miss. Thanks for watching AM Trading Tips. Trade safe, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next one.